name's Armin Morin, and thank you so much for finding out more information about instant cash flow. Let me ask you a question. How would you like to start making $1,000 commissions? Well, if the answer is yes, then listen real close to what I'm about to say. What if I did all the hard stuff and simply handed you a system designed for you to start profiting as soon as possible? Well, if that sounds great to you, then what you need to do is click the link under this video and you'll get to the page that I'm displaying right now where you can get more details about instant cash flow and how you can start working with us as soon as today and start making those $1,000 commissions. So don't wait. Click the link underneath this video in the description and let's get started today.